Now to invite our chief guest for this solemn ceremony, George's dear wife, Mama Karen Oduor, to come and talk to us. Mama Karen, karibu. Debed nango debed ni jo kwaya kanini machiegni du keto wer moro piyo. Sama Mama Karen biro. Matu teme piyo yawa murwakego. Bia mo sama jo kwaya werni. Ero.
Endelea ninazidi kutembea, maombi yasikie, Bwana unipandishe, Bwana uninue kwa imani, nisimame nipande milima yote, Bwana
Thank you very much for this special day that the God has given unto us, to the President, to the Honorable Excellency Raila Odinga, to the governors, the senators, the MCAs, and all the protocols observed. Thank you very much for coming to help us mourn our friend George. George was a very special friend to us, and a very special friend to everybody, and a special husband to Karen. Karen has been my good friend for the last 30 years, and that is when I met George. So I've known George for all this long. It's sad that we've lost a great man in our lives. I really don't know what to say. I really don't know what to do, because we've lost a man. I've met so many men, but I've never met a man like George, because George was special, a special man, a special husband. I don't have any fear to say that, because there's so many men here, but none can be compared to George. So thank you very much. I'm Rose Asiko, the wife to the veteran legend of KBC, Omole Asiko. I'm going to read a small special tribute about George that Caro has written, and then Caro will timoneno in the Luo, because us here at home, we believe that if you do that in the Luo, it's when you feel that you've really sent your husband in a great way. So you will kindly bear with us. Thank you very much. This is a special tribute by his wife, Karen Auma Oduor. It's hard to put into words what it feels like to lose you, George, my husband, my best friend, my greatest support. You are a man of quiet strength, always putting others before yourself. Your journey was full of discipline and sacrifice. I watched you carry so much on your shoulders, and yet you still found time to laugh with the people around you. You check in on me even when you'd be far away on duty to make life lighter, even when yours felt heavy. But beyond the title and reals, it's who you were at home that meant the most. You are loving, present, deeply caring, a true partner in every sense. You made life feel safe. You made our home feel whole. You are a partner who showed up with love, patience, and pride. You are my calm in every storm. You touched so many lives, and I've seen the impact of your kindness and dedication in the stories people have shared. It brings me comfort, even in this pain, to know how loved and respected you are. Though you are no longer by my side, your presence is everywhere, in our family and friends, in our memories, in every part of the life we build together. Rest well, my love. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for choosing me. You gave me your best, and I'll carry your memory with grace and gratitude always. Love, Karen. Thank you very much. Karen has so many friends. So friends of Carol, kindly stand and wave to the, kindly stand. Thank you so much. Carol will say more. Asanteni sana.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. First, I want to give my thanks to President William Samoei Ruto for coming to mourn with us, to give George a good send-off. And again, second, I want to thank Honorable Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga, Baba ya George. Thank you. Thank you, Baba, for standing with me always. Again, I want to thank our governors. And again, I want to thank Member of Parliament. And again, I want to speak in Luo about George. And again, I don't want to forget my pastor, Mr. David Morade. Thank you, Pastor. Adwa wuoyo gi dholuo kuom George. George mosiepa masadak go igni 27. George ni en dichuo makokosoni to kidhao to duogo ng'isi no osiepa agoni mos kacha to nakosoni. To an bende kakosone taluonge ni ajojina komanda nong'isa ni min gi ne luonge ni komanda. Koro na eroe ni komanda. Kendo agone ji erokamano mobiro mon komanda na. Ago erokamano kabisa ne jakom gi jok manochung' koda koa office jakom Silas Jakakimba and the team. Thank you so much. Jok manyocha tiyo gi George kaka security, asanteni. An onge gima dawach mang'eny kuom George. If I just started to tell the story of George, you will not leave this place. I want George to go in peace as early as possible. So I don't want to talk much about George. If you want me to give you a story of George, you are welcome to my home. Come, I will tell you George's story. Thank you. Pole, an gosiepena moa Nairobi. Gin kacha. Jodala wanika, wiya wil go moa Nyanza, Suba. Turgi Silas, Turga Milo. Anyar karachuonyo, modak Suba. Tosani, an Dorika, an chia lego seje, mogedo Dorika. Koro an jara rieda, gitiende, Siaya, uyuda manakanyo. Ero uru kamano. Jodala wanika chunguru mondo nenu. Jodala wamantie kamo biro. Gin kacha. Ago nuero kamano jodala wa. Kuom biro yuago oru manyocho ero. Ero uru kamano. Thank you so much. Oh. George lived with one son. He's a son to my brother-in-law. Bruce, Where are you? Come. Not even one, there are two. But only you will talk.
Kuom welo mobiro konyowa kowo baba, agoyo nwero kamano. Mama noweya ga e dala, anyalo wacho mang'eny kuom wuonwa ne. Nyinga iluongo ni Kennedy Oduor. Adwa wuoyo kuom wuonwa ni kaka kumwa kale kode nyako chopo kuma nyo mama koro wite. Aparo anyalo wacho mana matin kama ne koro baba ochake tuo ka mama oluongowa. Noluonga badhi e ot kama gidakie. To kana donje ot to nayudo ka fadhe lokore matin. Oluonga ni bi kuma ndiweye ka. To kachopo kanyo to ng'isa ni Jagachola, gima adwa ni mondo utimna, adwa ni utaya matin oko mondo awuothi. Wawuok kode oko, kwachopo e veranda to muche orumo to duogo e ot. To ng'isa ni wuoda dhi ot, abiro gochonu kaka dhi. Chieng'no beno chiemo maber. Kinyne to mama nogona sim ni koro ok nyalre, baba ni ICU. Koro
En gi mirima. Kunene tuneno kochal gi George. En nyathi George. Min gi nothowe katin. We raise him up. And gi George. Mos Bruce. Erouru kamano. Jakom to podagone mana erokamano. Kikiweya wuon George. Erokamano.
Makofi. Pamneuru yawa malongo, Mama Karen. Aneno kotegno donge ber. Your Excellency, we apologize that we are not doing simultaneous translation because it will take time. But I'm comforted in the fact that you also understand Luo. Donge nonjelo jagot. Donge nonjelo jagot. Wandu wanonjelo janam. Donge wacho dhok achiel. Hallelujah. Other than the earlier recognitions, allow me